Good morning, everyone. Good morning,
Good
students.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. A very good morning to all of you. So let's begin the today's session with the. I will ask the tables from the students, those who are remaining. So my next name is
I'm Kanisha.
my dear. I will call your name. Khush Kapadia. Your turn is done. Yes, you're done. Man
Yes, ma'am.
Rajodia. Man Rajodia.
Yes, ma'am.
Man. Yeah. Please tell me table of 12.
Ma'am, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 16. Sorry, ma'am.
Sit properly. Which child is this? Arna, sit properly. Yes, man.
12 ones are 12, 12 twos are
Switch on your
24.
camera first. Man, switch on your camera first.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, please tell me the table of 12.
12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 nines are 9, 12 nines are 96.
12 eights are 96.
Yes, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 twelves, 12 twelves are 20.
12 tens are
Yes, 20. 120.
120. Yes. Good. Next. Rudra Mangogia, your turn is done.
No, ma'am.
Tell me table of 14.
Ma'am, he is done.
14. No,
Let me
ma'am.
check, my dear. No, no, it's not done. It is not in my list. Yes, Rudra. Tell me table of 14.
14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70, 14 sixes are 84, 14 sevens are 98, 14 eights are 112, 14 nines are 126,
Hmm.
14 tens are 140.
Good. Next is Yash Desai.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me table of 13.
13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are 52, 13 fives are 65, 13,
13 6 are
13 six are 78, 13 sevens are 91, 13 eights are 104, 13 nines are 117, 13 tens are 130.
good. Yes, Jahan Jariwala. Jahan.
Bold.
Jahan.
Yes, ma'am. I have tried, but I have not been able to. Can you just give me like 3 or 4 more days?
3
I
4
have tried
more
to
days
learn
to
till
learn the
15.
tables.
I have tried to learn. I have tried to learn till 15. I have learned till 12.
Okay, you today tell me table of 12. And next time again I am coming. Will ask you.
12 Okay. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are
Jahan,
36.
wait. Please switch on your camera first. Yes.
Okay.
And please stop using this background images.
Okay. I will
Stop.
just turn it off.
Yeah, turn it off.
12 ones are
Good
12.
morning, ma'am.
12 twos
Good
are
morning.
24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. 12 fives are 60. 12 six are 72. 12 eights are 12 sevens are 84.
Hmm.
12 eights are
96.
96. 12 tens are
12 nines are.
12 nines are 108. 12
Hmm.
tens are 120.
Okay. Yes, Vivan Patel, your chance is done.
No,
Ma'am, can
ma'am.
I
So,
think?
yeah, Vivan, now you tell me table of 13.
13
Ma'am,
1 is 13,
Are you
13 2
child
is 20.
number?
Ma'am, may I
Yes,
speak?
yeah.
13 1 is 13, 13 2 is 26, 13 3 is 39, 13 4 is 52, 13 5 is 65, 13 6 is 78, 13 7 is 91, 13 8 is 104, 13 9 is 117, 13 10 is 130.
Okay, good. Now next is Ayush. Ayush Singhania.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I was saying something, and
Hmm.
that you once said that I have to learn the tables, and then you asked me the table of 14.
Hmm.
I couldn't say the table of 14,
Hmm.
and then you said me to revise, and then said that first we'll do the topic, and then we'll
Yes.
ask the tables again. But because of the topic, we couldn't ask the table,
Okay,
so
I'm
I
asking
just.
today. Yes. Are you
Ma'am,
prepared? Yeah.
ma'am,
Tell
I've
me the
learned till.
table of. Tell me table of 14
Ma'am, learned till 13.
till 13. Why?
Actually, I learned till 12, then I learned one more table one day.
Okay. Today you tell me the table of 13 and please be prepared for the next time also. Okay. Tell me
No
table
problem.
of 13.
13. 13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26. 13 threes are 39. 13 fours are 52. 13 fives are 65. 13 six are 78. 13 sevens are 91. 13 eights are 104. 13 nines are 114. 13 and 14 are
100 and
17, sorry.
hmm.
And tens are 130.
Okay. Now next child is Anna. You are done with the tables? Yes. Next child is yes, Yug Baria. Yug Baria.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you were raising the hand. Is there any problem? Any difficulty?
Ma'am, I see the tables.
Yeah, I'm asking today. Switch on your camera. Okay, good. Now tell me the table of 14, Yug.
14 1 is 14, 14 2 is 22,
14 twos are
22, 20,
22.
28,
Hmm.
14 3s are
You have learned tables till which number?
12.
12. Today tell me the table of 12 and please be prepared for the next time also. I can ask any table till 15.
Okay.
Okay. Tell me table of 12.
12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 5 4s are 48, 12 5 are 60, 12 6 are 72, 12 8s are 84,
12 eights are
12 7s are 84,
hmm. 12
12
eights are
84,
12 eights are
96,
hmm.
12 nines are 108, 12
Hmm.
tens are 120.
Okay. Good. So meantime again now I'll start my today's topic and meantime if I get the time I'll ask the tables again with the remaining students. So now we first do the revision what we have done yesterday. Yesterday we have learned how to multiply three-digit number with the three-digit numbers. So now I'm going to uh, play the video again to watch it carefully and then again we will discuss on this because we are again doing today the revision what we have done yesterday. So first watch the video on the basis of how to multiply three-digit number with the three-digit numbers.
Of 3.
Am I visible and audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. You are busy with
Okay.
numbers.
Now, after
Yes,
this, I'm going to mute my mic because you have to listen it carefully. Otherwise, the voice will be echo. I asked Jen, please mute your mic.
Ma'am, my mic is mute.
It's on. Yeah.
And 4-digit numbers by a 3-digit number. Let us begin with the multiplication of 359 and 243. We can divide the whole process into 4 steps. Step 1. Multiply 359 by the ones digit of the multiplier, that is 3. 9 into 3 is equal to 27. 5 into 3 is equal to 15 plus the carried over 2 is equal to 17. Now, 3 into 3 is equal to 9 plus the carried over 1, which is equal to 10.
Ma'am, I know this. It is very easy sum.
Yes. So now I'm going to explain you again. First, we have to multiply this multiplicand 359 with the ones digit multiplier, which is 3. So first we multiply 3 with the 9. 3 nines are, what is 3 nines are? What is 3 nines are? 27.
27.
Very good. Now mute the mics. So we put,
27.
yes. So we put 2 as a carryover and 7 down near to the ones place. And then we multiply 3 with the 5, that is 15, plus 2 is 17. 1 again will go as a carryover and 7 will come down. Now we multiply 3 with the 3. 3 threes are 9 plus 1 is 10. Now, yes, now the ones place is over. Now we go to the tens place to multiply with the multiplicand 359. So as I explained you yesterday also, we are not multiplying 4 with 359. We are multiplying 4 tens, means 40. Listen to it carefully.
We will call 1077 as the first partial product. Step 2. Multiply 359 by the digit in the tens place of the multiplier, that is 4. As the digit 4 is in the tens place of the multiplier, we are actually multiplying 359 by 40. So, we write a 0 below the digit 7 of the first partial product. Next, 9 into 4 is equal to 36. Now, 5 into 4 is equal to 20, plus the carried over 3 is equal to 23. Next, 3 into 4 is equal to 12, plus the carried over 2 is equal to 14. So we get 14,360 as the second partial product. Step 3. Now multiply 359 by the digit in the hundred.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, just a minute. Now we multiply the multiplier which is under the 100 place, which is 2. It is not 2, it is 200s. Right? Yes, Karnav, tell me. Karnav, you was telling me something? Is there any child who was asking something? Okay, I'll start this
Yes,
again.
ma'am. Use Karna only.
Okay, please.
Hundreds place of the multiplier, that is 2.
So we are multiplying
As
it with
the
the
digit 2
200.
Yes,
is in
ma'am.
the hundreds place of the multiplier,
Arnav
क्या
Patel.
करना?
we are
Wait
actually
now.
multiplying 359 by 200.
This we have to write in
So,
notebook.
No,
we
no.
write a 0 below the digits 0 and 6 of the second partial product. Next, 9 into 2 is equal to 18. Now, multiply 5 into 2, which is equal to 10 plus the carried over 1, which is equal to 11. Then 3 into 2 is equal to 6 plus the carried over 1 is equal to 7. So, we get 71,800 as the third partial product. Step 4.
Now we
Now
will add.
add the three partial products obtained. That is 1,077 plus 14,360 plus 71,800 to get the answer, which is equal to 87,237.
235. Sorry, 37. So we read it as 87,237. Now, we have done the recap what we have learned yesterday. Now, my question is, I'm going to open my chat box. My question is, select any 3-digit multiplicand and 3-digit multiplier, and please multiply it and write the product in your chat box. Please start doing one example from each child. If you have done one time, you please stop it and give the chance to other children. Please, everyone, take 3-digit as a multiplicand, 3-digit as a multiplier, and please multiply them and find the product. Write it in the chat box. Do it fast. After that, we will learn our today's next topic, which is about the word problems of the multiplication.
Ma'am, I have to ask you something. Can I ask?
Yes, Ayansh, please ask.
Ma'am, that
Ma'am,
we
what we
are
have to
writing
do?
the paragraph we have to write in the notebook also.
No, in the chat box only.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to write in a chat box or notebook.
Yes, you have to write in the chat box only one sum with 3-digit multiplicand and 3-digit multiplier and find the product and write it in the chat box.
Ma'am, am I
If
right?
you
Okay,
if
ma'am.
you are not able to do directly, you please solve it in the notebook first and then write the answer in the chat box.
Ma'am, am I
Arya has done
Okay, ma'am.
236 multiplied by, sorry, 236 multiplied by 390. Her answer is no. Arya, please check. 236 multiplied by 390. Children, please check before you write in the chat box. Solve it in the notebook first. 345 multiplied by 142 is written by Rudra. 48,990. Yes, right, Rudra. Nishika has written 236 multiplied by 450. 10,000. Yes. 1,06,200. Jahan Jariwala has written 123 multiplied by 322. So it's 39,606. Yes, right. Next, Ashvi has written 691 multiplied by 718. Ashvi is 49,000. Let me check. 49,138. Ashvi, yes, right. Tuvisha has written 234 multiplied by 134. So it is 31,356. Yes, Ridan has written 354 multiplied by 256. So it's 90,000. Yes. 624, right. Ayush, 555 multiplied by 543, it's 30,000. Wait a minute, I'll check. Ayush, Ayush, would please check your answer again.
Ma'am, it's
Prinika,
19475.
wait, 555 multiplied by 543. No, check it again.
And can you
Parinika has
can you
written
check mine?
333 multiplied by 505. It's right. Parinika is right. My dear, I'm checking everyone's. Dhruv has written 584 multiplied by 509. It's, yes, 297,256. Next is Yash has written 859 multiplied by 985. It's 84,000. No, eight. Yes, once eight, like it 46,115. Samriddhi has written 222 multiplied by 999. Samriddhi, you check your answer. Your answer is wrong.
Ma'am, mine is right. Yes.
Yes, Yash is right. Anushka has written 250 multiplied by 112. It's Anushka, you also check your answer. Anushka, please check your answer. Next to Anushka is Vivan. 299 multiplied by 362. 362. Yes, your answer is right, Vivan. Anya Mittal has written 691 multiplied by 718. Yes, Anya. Riddhi has written 123 multiplied. Riddhi, please, if you have copied someone, please do not copy, children. Yes, Riddhi is right. Riddhi has not copied. It's new sum. Next, Aryaman has written 259 multiplied by 785. It's right. Next is Karnav is very intelligent. He has taken number with zeros. 120 multiplied by 120. But Karnav, your answer is wrong. You check your answer. There has written 234 multiplied by 564. It's there. Your answer is wrong. Please check. It's not 12. It should come 13. So 1,31,970.
Yeah, I mistake it type 2.
Yeah, please check it. Your answer is wrong there. Khevna. Khevna has written one. Children, please do not copy the answer and the sum of any other child. You please have to frame your own problem. 123 multiplied by 555. It's 68, 265. Khevna is right.
Ma'am,
Vihan.
Karnav's multiplication was 120 multiplied by 120. The answer will be 144,144,000.
Vihan, your answer is right. Vihan, you are asking about what? Prisha, wait.
Karnav's multiplication.
Yeah, Karnav's answer is wrong.
14400 is the answer of
Yes,
120
yes.
multiplied by 120, right?
Yes, Prisha, tell me.
Ma'am, I was saying that my answer you have got to 9922.
Yes,
That
but
I have
you have taken the multiplier, only 2-digit multiplier.
I've done by mistakenly. I have sent you the another one. You can check that.
Yes. Okay, children, now I will switch off my chat box and we'll read the next word problem.
Please check Mount Rajodias.
Okay.
Ma'am, you have not seen mine. I have written it.
Prisha has written 180 multiplied. Children, mute your
Ma'am, you
mic.
have not seen mine.
Mute your
Okay,
mic.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
180 multiplied by 180. Who has written this? Yugbaria, Yugbaria, you please check your answer.
Ma'am, I have also written. You have not sent my.
My dear, I will let you know. Please mute your mic. Parinika has written 300 multiplied by 600. 1,80,000. Yes. Lakshya, why you are not trying to do it? Karnav is right now. And Man has done 278 multiplied by 562. Man Rajodia is right. 1,56,236. Migdad, yes. Yes, Migdad, what are you saying?
I don't have the option, so I did not send.
My dear, just now I blocked, I checked. You are
But
late.
not for blocking. It was before also not able to type.
Okay. Maybe you have some difficulty. Please mute your mic. Okay. So I hope you children are clear how to multiply the 3-digit number. Lakshya, you also please try. How to multiply the 3-digit numbers with the 3-digit numbers. So now our today's topic is we are going to learn word problems. Okay. Just a minute, children. Wait a minute. Okay, so we are going to learn about the word problems. Word problems are called the story problems. The story problems means the problems or the situation which we are facing in our day-to-day life, right? How to solve and how to come up with these situations. Like, for example, when you went to the market, right? When you went to the market to buy this cream, Johnson baby cream, the cost is written here behind this. When you check this, the cost is written, this is baby cream is around rupees 160. The cost of one baby cream is 160. But your mother told you that you are going to the market, you check the price and you buy 2 Johnson baby creams. Okay. So the cost of one is 160. What will be the cost of 2? Whenever the cost of one is given and you have to find out the cost of many, you have to multiply. If I am not wrong, I have explained you. Wait a minute, Ayush. I have already explained you when I was explaining you the unitary method. In unitary method, we have learned how to do this concept that when the value of one is given and you have to find out the value of many, you have to find out by the multiplication. Am I clear till here? So the cost of one is given, one item is given, and you have to find out the cost of many, which is 2. So what you will do?
Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, we have to multiply by 2.
Yes. So the cost of, now I'm going to switch off my chat box, switch on my chat box. You have to write, if the cost of one cream is 160, what will be the cost of 2 such creams? Such baby Johnson baby creams. What will be 320? Very good. Well, how you have find out 320?
320.
How you have find out, children?
Ma'am, 160 multiplied by 2 is equal to 320.
By multiplying with the 2. So you are
Multiply by
clear
2.
with this topic that when one, wait a minute, when one value is given and you have to find out for the many, you have to multiply. Yes, which child is having a doubt?
Ma'am, me, Rudra.
Yes, Rudra, tell me. Chat box is closed. Yes.
Why we don't add that 160 plus
You can add
160?
also as you have learned, because see, early days when we were not aware how to multiply, the people were adding the values, right? Or adding the values is a time consuming. बहुत टाइम ले लेगा, आप इसको बार बार ऐड करोगे. अगर ये तो मैंने 2 ही बोला, when I say a big number of items, अगर आप ऐसे 5 लाए 6 लाए, right? If you know the tables, you can easily multiply it. But अगर आप 5 times 6 times उसको add करोगे same number of value को, it will be a time consuming. We have learned that multiplication is what? Multiplication is what, children? Is a?
Ma'am, but I know that.
Can.
Ma'am, I'm telling that If there is more product, then we multiply. If there is only 2, then we add. I have that doubt.
Your choice, but if you want to do in the addition way, you do it in the addition way. If you're not taking much time in the addition and taking more time on multiplication, but if you have learned the multiplication tables thoroughly, it will be easy for you to do it fast. So doing the fast calculation, we are learning the multiplication method. Am I clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, my next word problem. These are the word problems which I am framing from your real life situation. My next word problem, that this car is having 4 wheels. This car is having how many wheels? Can you please check how many wheels this car is having?
4. 4
1, 2,
wheels.
3, 4 wheels. 4 wheels one car is having. If I say how many wheels 5 car is having?
20.
Ma'am, 20.
Ma'am, 20.
20.
20.
20.
20. 20.
Ma'am, 20. So when you add
Ma'am, 5 multiplied by 4.
5.
yes, when you add 4 5 times, it will be take time. When you directly multiply, you know the table of 4 and you know the table of 5. When you directly multiply 4 into 5 means it is 40, and it's easy for you to do the calculation. Am I clear? Yes. Yes, tell me.
Your voice is breaking.
Okay, my voice is breaking.
Ma'am, 4 5s are also.
No, ma'am.
No,
Not
ma'am, no.
breaking.
Your voice is not breaking.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Now, next situation. I have this truck. I have this truck. In this truck, one truck, I can put 6 small cars. I can put 6 small cars in this one truck. Okay. Now, how many cars I can put in 5 trucks?
Ma'am, 30.
Ma'am,
30.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
30.
30.
Ma'am,
30.
30. 6 multiplied by 4. Ma'am, 6 multiplied by 5.
Ma'am, it's 30.
Please write
Ma'am,
answer in the chat
30.
box.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question?
Yeah, in one truck, I can put 6 small cars. How many cars I can put in 5 trucks? 30. 5 is 30. So you children are clear with this, how to find out the value of many. For example, the cost of this one book is 78 rupees. Please write
Yes.
the number in your notebook or somewhere, because if you don't forget it, right? The cost of one book is 78 rupees. Okay, you want to buy, this number will be big, so please understand it carefully. You have to buy 12 books. What will be the cost of 12 books? Find out and tell me the answer.
936. 936.
78 multiplied by 12 is, who said?
936.
Very good. Manrajoria, how you are doing the fast calculation? Can you give me some tricks?
936.
Yeah, 936. Very good, children. So here we have clear how to multiply two-digit number with two-digit number. Yes, now more sum.
Ma'am, I think it's done on calculator.
In one class, there are 32 students. In one class, listen to it carefully. In one class, there are 32 students. How many students in 5 classes? How many students in 5 classes? One class, there are 32 students.
160. 160, ma'am. Ma'am, 160.
Multiplied by 5 is 160. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer in the chat box.
160.
Instead of giving me the answer in the chorus, please write the answer in the chat box. I am reading everyone's answer. Yes, Priya, Samriddhi, Manrajoria, Dhruv. If you have typed one time, please stop it. Srisha, Trisha, Kevna, Anna, all answer are same, 160. And that answer is right. Okay. Now, I am going to show you one video on the word problems. Please listen to it carefully. And how to write the statement on the word problems.
How many passengers will sit in four in English? Let's word problems. They are just integration of your maths and English.
Ma'am,
Let
the
us look
voice
at the
is
example
breaking.
that we have. Example.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to mute myself. And then you have to understand how we have to write the statements in the word problems.
Example 1. 53 passengers sit in a bus. How many passengers will sit in 426 buses? Now we will read the information one sentence at a time, and from there we will make statements for the word problem. First sentence is 53 passengers sit in a bus. Now we have to understand what information they are trying to give us in this first sentence. They have told us about number of passengers in
And the
one
answer
bus.
is
So this is
2, 2,
exactly what we are
5,
going to
7.
write as our first statement. Passengers in one bus is equal to 53.
You have to notice here and you have to pay attention how we have to write the statement in the word problems.
Ma'am.
Yes, Migdal.
Ma'am, do we have to say the answer of this in the chat?
Yeah, you can say the answer in the chat box.
So, ma'am, do we have to write?
Okay.
Do we have to write in notebook? Notebook.
You solve it in the notebook and write the answer in the chat box.
Now we will refer to the question again. How many passengers will sit in 426 buses? Now here we have to find out passengers in 426 buses. So this is what we will write in our next statement. Passengers in 426 buses is equal to 426 into 53. 53 is the number of passengers in one bus. So in 426 buses it will be 426 into 53. We will start by multiplying 3 with 6. That is 18. 1 at the top, 8 at the bottom. Then we'll multiply 3 by 2. That is 6 plus 1, 7. Then 3 multiplied by 4. That is 12.
Monster Math presents Addition Below 10. Okay, class.
Now we will write 1 0 here and then we'll start multiplying 5 with 6. We first wrote a 0 here because we are actually multiplying with 5 at tens place, which is 50. To cater to that 50, we have put this 0. Now we'll multiply 5 with 6, which is 30, 3 at the top, 0 at the bottom. Then we'll multiply 5 with 2, which is 10, plus 3, 13, 1 at the top, 3 at the bottom. Then 5 multiplied by 4, which is 20, plus 1, 21. Now we will add these two numbers, we will get 22578. So we will write answer 22578 passengers.
Let me check how many of you have given the right answer. 22578. Priya, Prisha, Arya. 576 Arya you have written. Arya Mansangai. Yes. Good. Manrajodia. Manrajodia, are you doing it by your own? Okay, I'll play the video again.
Ma'am, I think he's doing on calculator.
I'll play the video and I'll.
Now let us look at one more example. Rakesh reads 12 pages of a book in 1 hour. How many pages are there in the book if he reads 4 hours in a day? And
Please mute your mic, everyone. Vivan Patel, mute your mic.
A bus can carry 52 passengers in one trip. How many passengers will it carry in the month of July if it makes 5 trips in a day? Now, this is a little different question. Now, here you will have to understand the information given to you and then only will you be able to solve it. Now, here the information given is a bus is carrying 52 passengers in one trip and we have to find out how many passengers will it carry in the month of July if it takes 5 trips a day.
The question which I am going to explain you now, please understand it very, very carefully.
Solutions to worksheet. Now back to the question. Find the total of 74 such tanks. 1152. Question 2. Look at one more example. 4 hours, he is total number of pages 4 at 10. In one trip, how many passengers will it carry in the month of July if it makes 5 trips in a day? Now, this is a little different question. Now, here you will have to understand the information given to you and then only will you be able to solve it. Now, here the information given is a bus is carrying 52 passengers in one trip and we have to find out how many passengers will it carry in the month of July if it takes 5 trips a day. Solutions to worksheet 5.
So I am going to explain you this. If this is the question which is here on the display, that our bus carry 52 passengers in one trip. How many passengers will it carry in the month of July if it takes 5 trips in a day? First, we have to find out how many passengers it has to take in a day, right? 52 passengers in one bus, so it is taking 5 trips. So in 5 trips, how many passengers is it is taking in one day?
Ma'am,
Yes, 52 wait a minute, Rudra. 52 multiply by 5 you have to do first. 52 multiplied by 5 is 260. Now it is asking that how many passengers it has to carry in the month of July. So we have to know first how many days are there in the month of July. January, February, March,
31.
April, May, June, July. 30? 30 or 31?
31, ma'am.
31. Now, after getting one day passengers are 260. So we have to find out that how many passengers in the month of July, that is 260 multiplied by 31. It is, please write the answer in the chat box if you have understood how to calculate it. Please write the answer in the chat box. Yes, Ayush has done. It is 52 multiplied by 5 for a one day passengers equals to 260. But 260 is for one day and we have to find out for the month of July which is having 31 days. So the answer is 8060. 8060. Are you all clear these type of word problems also? You have to understand the language of the word problem, what they are asking. Okay. Yes, we have done, children, with the today's class. I'm going to send you the worksheet based on this.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Complete it. Yeah, Rudra, you please stay online.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.